In a world where compassion and understanding are becoming increasingly important, it is crucial to explore the reasons behind hatred and animosity. Buddhism, with its profound wisdom and teachings, offers valuable insights into understanding the roots of such negative emotions. By delving into these teachings, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and others, fostering a more harmonious and compassionate world. In this video, we will explore 3 significant reasons why people may develop feelings of hatred, drawing from the profound wisdom of Buddhism. 1. Ignorance and misunderstanding. One of the fundamental reasons people may develop hatred towards others is rooted in ignorance and misunderstanding. Buddhism teaches us that ignorance is the root cause of suffering, and when we lack understanding, we tend to view others through a distorted lens. By failing to see the interconnectedness and interdependence of all beings, we create divisions and judgments. Buddhism encourages us to cultivate wisdom through mindfulness and awareness, enabling us to see beyond superficial differences and recognize the inherent worth and dignity of every individual. 2. Attachment and grasping. Another reason people may harbor hate towards others is their attachment to personal desires and expectations. Buddhism teaches that attachment leads to suffering as we become overly invested in our own desires and expectations. When others fail to meet these expectations or threaten what we hold dear, we may react with anger and resentment. By cultivating detachment and letting go of our rigid attachments, we can develop a greater capacity for acceptance and understanding. Buddhism encourages us to embrace impermanence and practice non-attachment, fostering a mindset of compassion and forgiveness. 3. Ego and self-centeredness. The third reason people may develop hatred towards others lies in the realm of ego and self-centeredness. Buddhism emphasizes that the self is an illusion, and clinging to a fixed sense of self creates suffering. When we prioritize our own needs and desires above all else, we neglect the well-being of others. This self-centeredness can breed animosity and resentment from those who feel marginalized or overlooked. Buddhism teaches us to cultivate selflessness and develop a sense of interconnectedness. By recognizing the inherent dignity and worth of all beings, we can overcome our ego-driven tendencies and foster a more compassionate and inclusive society. So, by exploring the insights from Buddhism, we can gain a deeper understanding of the reasons behind hatred and animosity in our world. The teachings of Buddhism guide us to recognize the role of ignorance, attachment, and ego in fostering negative emotions toward others. By cultivating wisdom, non-attachment, and selflessness, we can transform our relationships and contribute to a more harmonious and compassionate society. Let us embrace these insights from Buddhism and strive to replace hatred with understanding, empathy, and love.